Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Iotex price prediction and Iotex news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Iotex in 2022. Starting in 2017 as an open source project, Iotex has grown into a decentralized platform that empowers open economies for machines. It is an open ecosystem, where humans and machines can interact with guaranteed trust, free will, and properly designed economic incentives. With a global team of over 40 scientists and engineers, Iotex has built its EVM-compatible blockchain from the ground up using the innovative role-pose consensus mechanism. The launch of the main network with over 100 delegates worldwide took place in April 2019. To date, the network has processed more than 10 million transactions. On top of the Iotex blockchain, key infrastructure blocks have been created to communicate with Ethereum, BSC and Hiko blockchains. The founders of Iotex are Roland Kai, Kevin Guo, Xingxin Fan, and Jing Sun. Today we will tell you the most important news about the Iotex cryptocurrency. Iotex co-founder urges crypto investors to hodl mid-market conditions. As the market dips over escalating tensions in Eastern Europe, Dr. Roland Kai, the co-founder and CEO of blockchain network Iotex, is urging crypto investors to hold on to their crypto. The Russian army recently started its advance on Ukraine, firing missiles on the second largest European country. Following this, crypto markets took a nosedive, with all the top coins dropping between 8% and 18%, according to Cointelegraph Markets Pro. However, despite the current market conditions, Kai tells holders to think twice before selling their digital assets. Kai told Cointelegraph that, while it's not impossible for Bitcoin (BTC) to fall below $10,000 and Ethereum (ETH) to fall below $800, the market could easily reach new all-time highs by the end of the year. He explained, "I would certainly not encourage investors to sell their crypto now, in the hopes of buying back at a cheaper price, as the reality is no one knows when we will reach the bottom, and when the market will rally again." While Kai's general sentiments are bullish, he identified factors that could drive the crypto market prices further down. The Iotex co-founder says that the Russian invasion, combined with rising interest rates and the prospect of new COVID-19 variants, could all affect the market negatively in the short term. Additionally, tensions between Russia and Ukraine, in addition to other geopolitical and trade tensions, should be monitored, as they can unnerve institutional and retail investors, and lead to huge price changes, due to reduced risk appetite. Related, Bitcoin dips 12% as Russian ruble hits all-time low against United States dollars on Ukraine military operation. Meanwhile, a recent report from hedge fund Pantera Capital shows that Bitcoin is currently relatively inexpensive, noting that several factors may affect the next rally. According to Pantera, warning signs from the debt markets and negative real rates could provide Bitcoin with the rocket fuel it needs to resume its bullish uptrend. Iotex is the first investment fund to convert prime real estate into NFTs on Iotex. At the moment, NFT statistics are impressive. On OpenSea alone, the marketplace has cumulatively moved assets exceeding $10 billion less than 6 months, after crossing the $1 billion market. Meanwhile, the significance of NFTs in various sectors is there to be a real-world property that NFT's value is less volatile as a result of being assessed on the real-world value of the property, based on traditional metrics such as rental income and comparable sales. Iotex exclusive NFTs act as your passport to additional profit sharing among the investors. Their first batch of NFTs sold out in just 7 minutes, and the next one is coming out on January 23rd. The virtual space is evolving so rapidly, and Iotex is on the cutting edge of it. Iotex entering the MEFI with Starcrazy bang. Eyes a Planet Now. Iotex is shaking up real estate in the metaverse, with their latest involvement with another dApp on Iotex. Starcrazy is a popular play-to-earn game where players buy, battle, and mine with their NFT collectible avatars, called stars. This year, on January 18th, Starcrazy hosted its first auction, where players could purchase virtual real estate in the form of planets within the game. By owning a planet, players will earn passive income through hosting tournaments, improving their stars' battle performance, and other gameplay perks. Iotex announced their purchase of one of the 100 auction planets. Some planets sold for as high as $27,000 United States dollars, with a total price of $762,022 United States dollars. With such a competitive barrier to entry, many hopeful players miss their chance to own a planet. Iotex's purchase will allow for fractional ownership over planets with a much lower buy-in cost for players. Anyone can now own a piece of the planet. Did you dream as a kid of going to the stars? Well, now you can. A DAO will be formed to create a community of players benefiting from this NFT ownership, and to determine how their planet will participate in tournaments, mining, distributing rewards, and more. Iotex's ultimate goal is to launch the first smart city DAO on the Iotex blockchain. NFT holders will have the opportunity to collaboratively decide the future of the investments, including the design layout of the architecture as well as voting on potential projects. SumoTex will uniquely embrace Iotex's MetNFI vision, connecting physical devices to the blockchain and allowing users to monetize their generated data. SumoTex will integrate MetNFI-powered smart devices, such as kitchen appliances, smart TVs, and smart thermostats, with their acquired real estate. The SumoTex team is also tackling the issues of sustainability and energy consumption in the traditional real estate industry. Building owners often struggle to verify the accuracy of energy consumption tracking. SumoTex's investment properties will integrate MetNFI-powered smart meters to track this data in real time, with 100% certainty. Ultimately, SumoTex strives to build a smart city powered by MetNFI. Members of this DAO will receive exclusive access to physical airdrop assets, like free stays in hotels or discounted tickets to events. Now with SumoTex's virtual real estate in the Starcrazy metaverse, fractional ownership is opening more opportunities for investors than ever before. Both virtual and physical assets are being made widely available for anyone interested in the space. With the DAO structure, NFT holders will have the freedom and flexibility to shape real estate in the metaverse as they see fit. Well, according to tradition, at the end of the video, are modest analytical forecasts about this cryptocurrency. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in IOTX, or whether IOTX will survive in the next few years are unknown. IOTX is currently worth $0.074 United States dollars with a hefty capitalization, making it rated 96 on the list of the most valuable coins. IOTX price prediction 2022. For a long-term IOTX price forecast, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average IOTX price will rise to around $0.100 by 2022 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2022, the year may end with a maximum price of 11 cents with a minimum price $0.096 level. IOTX price prediction 2023. In 2023, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of IOTX will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 17 cents in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy, if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of 14 cents with a maximum price of 17 cents for 2023. IOTX rate prediction 2024. IOTX will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the IOTX rate will hit new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2024, the IOTX rate will be almost 20 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 24 cents. IOTX average price forecast for the end of 2024 could be around 20 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. IOTX price prediction 2025. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. IOTX could cross 35 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2025. Given that it is expected to be owned by